Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about performance optimization. Performance optimization in React entails enhancing the speed and efficiency of an application by pinpointing and addressing bottlenecks. These bottlenecks could be contributing to sluggish rendering or superfluous re-renders. For instance, reducing the number of unnecessary re-renders by implementing should component update lifecycle method or using React Memo can significantly improve a React application's performance. Additionally, employing lazy loading techniques for components that are not immediately needed can help in optimizing the overall performance. React leverages a virtual DOM to optimize updates on the real DOM. When changes occur, React initiates a process called reconciliation, where it compares the virtual DOM with the real DOM and updates solely the essential components, ensuring more efficient rendering. For instance, consider a React component like the one demonstrated in the provided Python code snippet. This component would be converted into a virtual DOM representation before React reconciles its changes with the actual DOM to update only the necessary elements. Memoization is a strategy to store previous results of costly function calls for swift access. React's Pure Components aid in avoiding redundant re-renders by inspecting prop and state changes using shallow comparisons. For instance, in React application development, implementing React.PureComponent ensures that the component only re-renders when necessary, promoting better performance by preventing unnecessary render cycles. Code splitting is the practice of dividing the application code into smaller parts that can be loaded only when necessary. This helps in optimizing the performance of the application by reducing the initial load time. Lazy loading refers to the technique of delaying the loading of specific components until they are required in the application flow. This can enhance the efficiency of the application by loading resources on demand. For instance, in a React application, the use of lazy and suspense can help implement code splitting and lazy loading. By dynamically importing components with lazy and wrapping them in a suspense component with a loading fallback, the application can defer loading the components until they are accessed by the user. This can notably improve the speed and usability of the application by reducing the initial load time. Optimizing performance is similar to a chef constantly adjusting the heat on a stove to ensure that the food cooks evenly and quickly. Just like a driver fine-tuning the settings on their car to improve fuel efficiency and speed, a programmer must constantly tweak their code to optimize performance. A gym-goer adjusting the weight and reps of their workout to maximize muscle growth and endurance is analogous to a developer fine-tuning their code to improve speed and efficiency. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The React code snippet showcases a performance optimization example, focusing on efficient data fetching from an API and rendering the results. The component utilizes React hooks, specifically useState and useEffect, to manage state and side effects. In the useEffect hook, an asynchronous function fetchData is triggered when the component mounts. This function fetches data from a dummy API endpoint and updates the state with the fetched results. Using an empty dependency array in useEffect, the data fetching operation is executed only once, improving performance by avoiding unnecessary refetching. To enhance performance further, conditional rendering is employed based on the length of the fetched data. This approach prevents unnecessary re-renders when the data remains unchanged. Additionally, each item in the data array is assigned a unique key during rendering, facilitating efficient DOM updates by enabling React to identify and track individual list items accurately. Performance optimization in this context is crucial for ensuring smooth user experiences and efficient resource utilization in React applications. By employing optimization techniques like minimizing renders, utilizing hooks effectively, and optimizing rendering processes, developers can enhance the speed and responsiveness of their applications. Real-world applications of this performance optimization strategy can be found in e-commerce platforms, social media feeds, and data-intensive web applications where efficient data fetching, rendering, and management are essential for delivering a seamless user experience. Performance optimization plays a crucial role in various industries and real-world applications. Let's explore two industrial examples where performance optimization is paramount. 1. In the e-commerce sector, performance optimization is vital to providing a seamless shopping experience for customers. Imagine an online retailer that has thousands of products listed on their website. By implementing techniques such as lazy loading images, minimizing HTTP requests, and caching data, the website can load faster, leading to reduced bounce rates and increased conversions. Performance optimization not only enhances user experience, but also contributes to higher search engine rankings and increased revenue for the business. 2. Financial services. In the financial services industry, where speed and accuracy are critical, performance optimization is essential. Consider a trading platform that processes a high volume of transactions every second. By employing techniques like algorithmic optimizations, prioritizing critical tasks, and utilizing efficient data structures, the platform can execute trades swiftly and accurately. Performance optimization in financial services not only improves the user experience for traders, but also ensures that trades are executed in a timely manner, minimizing risks and maximizing profits. Performance optimization is a universal concept that transcends boundaries and is indispensable in various industries across the globe. It enables businesses to deliver high-performing applications, enhance user satisfaction, and achieve their objectives efficiently. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.